expansion of a plus b whole square. Now we are going to expand a plus b whole square. First step will be we are going to split a plus b whole square into two parts, just like this. A square is equal to a into a. So just like this, we are going to expand a plus b whole square as bracket a plus b into bracket a plus b. Then we are going to multiply terms from this bracket into terms of another bracket. How we are going to do this? Firstly a into this bracket, then b into this bracket. A into this bracket, a plus b plus, see, plus b into this bracket, a plus b. Now I am going to multiply a into a square, a into b, ab, and here it is addition sign. So a b plus b into a, be, plus b into b, b square, plus b square. Now here ab plus ba is equal to, we get 2ab. Okay, ab plus ba is 2ab. Now ab and ba both are same. AB and BA both are same. AB is equal to BA. This is known as commutative law. Commutative law means, example 3. If write 3 into 2, we can also write it as 2 into 3. Both are same. Hence, we have expanded a plus b whole square as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here are some examples which we are going to expand. So firstly, x plus 2y whole square. Now we are going to apply this formula on this x plus 2y whole square. So for comparing this formula, we are going to compare plus what is value of a and value of b. Let a is equal to x and b is equal to 2y. Okay, b is equal to not just y, it is 2y. 2y. So from the formula a square, that means we have written here a is equal to x, so x square plus 2ab. See, 2 into a into b. So 2 into a, which we have considered x, into b, which is 2y. So 2y plus b square, we have considered b as 2y. So 2y bracket square. We get x square plus 2 into x, 2x, 2x into 2y, 4xy, 4xy plus 2y square, 4y square. Here's one another example. Just like this, we are going to compare value of a and b. Here a is equal to, here it is 2x and b is 3y. Then we are going to compare the formula, expanded version of a plus b whole square. First it is a square, that is a we have considered as 2x, so 2x square plus 2ab. 2, a is 2x into 2x and b is 3y into 3y plus b square, that is 3y square. 3y square. We get 2x square, we get 4x square plus 2 into 2x, 4x. 4x into 3y, 4 3 is 12. So 12xy plus 3 3 is 9, and here it is y. So 9y square. Similarly, third example, 4x plus 2y. We get 4 4 is 16x square plus 2ab, 2a into b. 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. So 16xy plus 2y square, that is 4y square. Further expansion of a minus b whole square. just like previous one, the only difference here is instead of plus b, they are given here minus b. But the process will be same. That is a minus b whole square. We are going to split it in two parts. That is bracket a minus b into bracket a minus b. Then we are going to multiply terms from this bracket into terms from this bracket. That is first a into this bracket a minus b, then minus b into this bracket minus b into bracket a minus b, then a into a square, a into minus b minus ab, then minus b into a minus ba, then minus b into minus b plus b square. Okay, then minus ab minus ba will be minus 2ab, because minus minus plus and the symbol will be minus. Thus we have expanded a minus b whole square, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here are some examples which we are going to solve. Firstly, we are going to compare values of a and b with the given question. Let a is equal to, see here, let a is equal to x and let b is equal to 2y. Then x minus 2y whole square is equal to a square. Here we have considered a as x, so x square minus 2ab. So 2 into value of a is x into value of b is 2y plus b square, value of b we are taken here 2y, so bracket 2y and square. We get x square minus 2 into x, 2x, 2x into 2y, 4xy plus 2y square, 4y square. Next question. Again we are going to compare values of a and b with the given terms in the question. So let a is equal to 2x, see a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y. So a square, that is 2x square, minus 2ab, that is 2 into a which is 2x and b which is 3y, plus b square which is 3y square. We get 2x square, 4x square, 4x square minus 2 into 2x, 4x and 4x into 3y, 12xy minus 12xy plus 3y square, 9y square. Now we are going to solve this third question, which is again comparing ab with the given terms, that is a is equal to 4x and b is equal to 2y. We get 4x square, we get 4 4s are 16, x square, then minus 2ab, that is 2 into 4x, 8x and 8x into 2y, 16xy minus 16xy plus b square, b is 2y, so 4y square.